Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to access and use the support page and how to set the Bluetooth mode. So, let's begin. We care about our customers and we hope you don't have any inconvenience either with your U-Wigo or any of the Universe widgets. But if you do not stress. Our support team will help you with that. To do this, we will have to use our U-Wigo Connect app on our cell phones and we will access it. We will go to the main menu and then we will scroll down until we found support. We will click on it and it will appear different options. Please choose the one that goes better with your needs. For this case, we're going to use General. Then it will appear a form. In this form, you will write first the title, and then you will see a text box. In this box, you will need to describe the situation that you are having right now. Then you will describe it as a specific, detail, and clear as possible. You can also add an image, either from your camera or the gallery. When you feel comfortable with this, you will click Send. And within 24 hours, our support team will reach you with a solution. And that's it. That's how you can use and access the support page. To set the Bluetooth mode, we will go to your U-Wigo Connect app. Then we will go to the zone where we would like to have the Bluetooth mode. Here you can see in the top right two icons. The first icon is a pencil. In this pencil, you can either change the name of the zone and the image that you have selected for that zone. Next to the pencil, we will see two links of exchange. When it's green, it means that you are using the Wi-Fi connection. When it's red, it means that you don't have any connections. And when it's blue is when you have the Bluetooth mode. We also need to check that we have the Bluetooth mode on our cell phone. Then we will click on the two links of exchange and we will say yes to the message that appears. Then it will show a guide. We will follow this. We will need our U-Wigo. And we will press the button until it changes colors. When it's blue, it means that we have the Bluetooth mode. And that's it. That's how you can set the Bluetooth mode. Thank you.